How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Ready to knock out some more maintenance on your S5? Well, here we are. Today we're gonna knock out the transmission flush. Nothing too crazy. Let's show you how to do it. You guys know the drill. Remove this annoying belly shield. With the transmission up to temperature, meaning you drove it for about 10-20 minutes here, we are actually going to remove the fill plug first, so make sure you have something underneath it to catch the fluid at this moment. So with the fill plug cracked open, we're going to go ahead and take out the drain plug, which is a 8mm Allen. Go right here. This is gonna drain all over me, so get ready. There you go. You guys see there's no more fluid really draining out of there. So let's go ahead and put this plug back in. All right, we'll clean that up and start putting some fluid back into it. So make sure, guys, when we're putting this fluid in here, that your tube that you're putting it in doesn't have like some other leftover fluids, so drain that out first. They say it's gonna take 8 quarts, or 9 if you're fully empty. So we just filled out the transmission. Now we need to make sure that the level is at the proper spec. With that being said, what are the conditions this needs to be in? The transmission needs to be 30 Celsius, the car needs to be started, the electronic brake needs to be on, and of course the car needs to be completely level. Now with that being said, the car is started up and we're gonna pop this plug. If it comes pouring out, let it pour out a little bit, because that means you overfilled it. And then if it's just coming out just a little bit, that's perfect level. That being said, car started. I'm gonna pop this plug open and see how much comes out. Perfect. You see how that comes out with the little drip right there? That means the level is at a perfect level. So go ahead and tighten this bolt up. The torque spec is gonna be 30 Newton meters. Here we go. That's pretty much it, guys. As you guys can tell, not too hard of a job. Just make sure you have the proper fluid. That is the biggest concern of the job. Other than that, just a couple quick tips. You guys already know, Audi's gonna tell you don't change it to 100 or 150,000 miles, or maybe it's a lifelong transmission fluid. You all know that's not the case. If you're taking your car to the drag strip, if you're racing it around a track, or you're just beating on it daily, you probably wanna be proactive and change it early. I changed mine at 15,000. You could do every 30,000 and not have to worry about it. I hope this video helped you guys on how to change your transmission fluid. If you have any questions, comment down below. We'll get right to you. And don't forget to hit that like button if you liked the video. And like always, stay BDT tuned.